Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. The cold air back with most of us this morning. You can see quite clearly on the map we do have a cold front, which is just south of I-20, so we have dropped into the 30s and 40s in most areas. And just ahead of the front, still around 60 degrees across Sabine Parish. But temperatures today, not likely to get much warmer than this. So forecast highs for most of us will be in the 40s this afternoon. A little bit of a breeze, so there will be a wind chill to those temperatures as well, and we're not quite done with the rainfalls. We do have some showers moving across the region, a few isolated thunderstorms as well. May see a little bit of a break here in the upcoming hours, but there will be more rain that develops just down to our southwest and then sweeps across the region, so make sure you have a jacket, also an umbrella with you today. And you can see North Texas and Oklahoma, they are getting hammered with some of the winter weather this morning. And as far as the winter weather potential for us, it is still there late tonight into early tomorrow morning. But as far as any major travel impacts, nothing has changed with that. As if we do see any accumulations of snow or ice, it would be very limited as far as the scope of that. So here's a look at the severe storm risk today. We still have the potential to see a few thunderstorms get going here in the upcoming hours, may produce a few high wind gusts, but honestly I'm really not too concerned about much here, since the temperatures are a little bit cooler than what was originally forecast here. So here's a look at Futurecast. It does show the temperatures in the 30s and 40s for much of the day, so it will just be a cold rain. No kind of threat for winter weather today. See the showers and storms popping up this morning across East Texas and then kind of swinging off to the east here. So it's possible Shreveport, Texarkana, we could have a few rumbles of thunder today, maybe some small hail with anything the day will get going, but no severe weather threat for either of those locations. For the afternoon, rain tapers off, stuck with the clouds today, and you can see the afternoon temperatures have fallen in all areas. So a little bit later today, low to mid 40s for most of us. So it is going to be kind of a cold day. We'll get a little bit of a break from the precipitation, but we have one final push of light rain that will develop, and that's what we're thinking tomorrow morning. Could briefly change over into some sleet and maybe a few snowflakes as well, but not likely to see much, if any, accumulation with this. And as far as the roads, should remain in good shape. We've had several days here with warm temperatures, so the ground temperature a little bit warmer, so anything that hits the ground likely to quickly melt off. And you see the temperatures tonight into the low to mid 30s, and tomorrow most of us topping out in the low to mid 40s, so even colder tomorrow, but we'll see some late day sunshine. You do have travel plans today. You can see winter storm warning and winter weather advisories posted from Dallas up through Oklahoma City, so that's where the accumulating snow and ice will be over the next 24 hours. Notice none of our ArkLaTex counties and parishes in that winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory. And just for fun, I threw the snowfall potential map in here just to show you if we do see anything, maybe just a light dusting of snow, but nothing that we're concerned about as far as travel impacts. Your Thursday morning should be just fine. And there's a look at the rainfall totals the remainder of the day today. We could see some quarter to half-inch amounts, so no kind of heavy rain threat for us. And again, the high temperatures, most of us today likely topping out in the 40s. 7-day forecast, it's a busy one. We'll see a little bit of a break Thursday, especially late in the day, and Friday looking like the best day of the bunch, as well as Sundays. We'll have highs back into the low 60s. Slight chance of rain early in the weekend, and enjoy that weekend because we do have some more showers and storms on the way. It looks like Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even Wednesday of next week, so active weather setting up for the week ahead.